Welcome to the tutorial on how to set up your Fiverr seller account. In this tutorial, we will go through the whole process from account creation to service offering. Before we start, just a few words on how you can benefit from being a freelancer on this platform. Fiverr is the most popular freelancing platform, and you can really sell different types of services. You should keep in mind that Fiverr is just like Amazon, but for outsourcing digital services. They have more than 3.4 million active buyers that need freelancers for almost anything you can think of. Some people are on the platform because they need help to develop their business, and others for personal reasons. For example, to create wedding invitations. Now, let's start. To join Fiverr as a new seller, click on the Join button. You can join Fiverr with your Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts, or just with your email. Enter your email and click Continue. Choose your username and your password. Then click on the Join button. Fiverr will send you an email to activate your account. Check your mailbox. Don't forget to check the spam folder if you can't find the email. Open the email and click on Activate. That's it. Your account is active. Now, to create your profile as a seller, click here. In the drop-down menu, choose Become a Seller. Now we are on the Becoming a Seller page. Click on Become a Seller. Here are some Fiverr guidelines and suggestions. Take the time to read them carefully. It is better to properly set your profile the first time. Believe me, this will save you a lot of time and headaches in the future. Then, click on Continue. Read these other suggestions on what makes a successful Fiverr profile. And click on Continue again. Learn the rules and regulations of the platform. If you want to become a successful seller, you have to play by the rule. Start small and climb the ladder. There are plenty of opportunities to make money the right way. Then, click on Continue. Now, you need to fill this 4-step form. First, add personal information. Enter your name. Upload a profile picture. Add a description. Add your languages. And click on Continue. Next, add your professional information. Select your occupation. Add your skills. Enter your education, qualification, and any other certificates. Some buyers pay attention to these details and decide if the seller is a good fit. So it's important to showcase all the skills showing that you are qualified for doing a job. If you don't have much to write here, it's okay. Instead, just make sure to include later some of the best samples of your work. Click Continue. You can link to your social media accounts. This will show validity to your clients and helps in good customer relationships. Next, to make your account more secure, verify your email and phone number. Add your mobile phone number. Fiverr will verify your number through a text message or a call. Enter the 4-digit code you receive on your cell phone. Submit the code to complete the verification. Next, add a security question. It should be something you will easily remember. Now your profile creation process is complete. Click on Finish. It will lead to your Fiverr Gig Creation page. You can create your first Fiverr gig in 6 easy steps. Be careful, these steps are particularly important. Let's create our first gig. To begin, add a title. A good title is very important for your ranking and may prompt more people to click on your gig. Select the category relevant to your services. Add metadata. Add search tags. Tags are keywords that help you rank better and get found by your future customers. Click on Continue. and add your packages and prices. You can select to offer 1, 2, or 3 packages. Add all the required information according to your services. You can also offer extras. Continue and enter your description. The description is important to attract customers. You should add all the required information about your services in the description. And you can also add frequently asked questions. Continue again. Add your requirements. Be clear and very specific about what you offer and your requirements. This will help you avoid conflicts with clients and also save time. Click Save and continue. Now we're in the gallery section where you can add your gig images, videos, PDFs, or audio files to showcase your talent. This is what will give you the edge over your competitor. What you can do is more important for the buyer than your degree or qualification. Try to have the best samples possible because this will help you get your first clients. Click on Save and continue. And click on Publish Gig. It's alive! That's it! Your gig is now active. As a new seller, go above and beyond and you will be rewarded. You may have days when you feel like quitting, but if you have a good offer and try long enough, you may achieve financial freedom with your Fiverr gigs while working from home.